Thank you for taking the time to review Smith & Sell Construction's design and build agreement. Choosing the right contractor is one of the most important decisions you'll make for your project. This overview will walk you through what is included in our agreement, so you can move forward with full clarity and confidence. When you work with Smith & Sell Construction, your design phase includes complete CAD files, detailed floor plans, full 3D renderings, and elevation drawings. These deliverables ensure you fully visualize your project before construction begins. We also manage the city planning submittal process for you. While the city's plan check and permit fees are the owner's responsibility, Smith & Sell handles the logistics from start to finish. City fees are simply reimbursed at cost, ensuring complete transparency. After the design is approved, we complete a comprehensive project takeoff, providing a detailed breakdown of materials, labor, and costs. We then deliver a milestone construction schedule to clearly map out each phase of your build. During the early planning stages, we budget based on contractor-grade finish materials. This gives you a clear, realistic benchmark. As your final selections are made, the project budget is refined together, not after construction begins. For your understanding, we break project costs into two categories. Soft costs include plan check and permit fees, design services, engineering reports, Title 24 energy compliance, and related consulting fees. Hard costs include labor, materials, subcontractor trades, equipment, and the actual construction activities such as back office support for your project. As part of your project experience, we provide access to your personal Buildertrend project portal. Inside your portal, you'll have real-time access to construction schedules, daily job site updates, design documents and approved selections, change order tracking, and direct messaging with your team. We believe in keeping our clients fully informed. No surprises, all on the same page. At Smith & Sell Construction, we believe that planning thoroughly, building beautifully, and finishing strong is not just a motto. It's how true craftsmanship is delivered. We hope this overview has helped you better understand what working with Smith & Sell looks like. We look forward to the opportunity to build something exceptional for you. Thank you for considering Smith & Sell Construction.